What's up guys, welcome. Today we are unboxing the Magic Mouse 2. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you like the video. Magic Mouse 2 can be purchased for $79 from the Apple website. On the box itself we have the model and the serial number along with the price, which it has been removed previously by myself. Before we start talking about the differences, let's move on to the unboxing, which is pretty simple. I will start by cutting with my cutter around the edges. I like to do a professional job, so the plastic which covers the box remains in place and protects even further. Apple Magic Mouse 2 isn't that different than the Magic Mouse 1. The exterior design of the Magic Mouse 2 is almost the same as the Magic Mouse 1. It still has a white glossy and shiny top, which rests on an aluminum case with no visible buttons or scroll wheel. If we flip the mouse over, we can see the difference. The aluminum back comes with a black logo. The Magic Mouse 2 has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, so it no longer needs a removable battery cover as the previous model did. In the box, we also have the manuals and the lighting cable which allows you to charge the mouse. It has less than 100 grams, which makes it lighter and quicker to move around any surface apart from glass. The Magic Mouse 2 does not work on a glass surface. It has an extremely low profile and only 2 buttons. It can be used in the same manner with both of your hands, but you will notice the gap in between my palm and the mouse. So this is not a mouse for those who like to customize a lot of buttons, or why not gaming. We have the on and off switch button in the same location like Magic Mouse 1, next to the optical sensor. In terms of pairing your device with your Mac, there are 2 options available now. First one, you turn on the Bluetooth, put the mouse switch on, and it should already be seen by your Mac. Click on connect and it's ready to use. We have now a lightning port that is used to recharge the battery of the mouse. It means that you can't use the Magic Mouse 2 while it's plugged in, but the good side is that one single charge will last up to a month of normal usage. Second option, you can connect your lighting cable in your Mac's USB port and then plug it in to the mouse. It takes 2 seconds and it's set it up. Let's see how does it actually works. You can use gestures for scrolling up and down line, natural scrolling or traditional scrolling. Go to System Preferences, Mouse Settings, and choose if you want to use the right side as a right click or not, or you can activate the option for zooming by double tapping on the mouse. Of course, there are a lot of other ways to use that surface, like swiping left or right in between pages, or access the mission control by double tapping with 2 fingers on it. See more gestures. Alright guys, so if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like below. Follow us raw unboxing. thanks you for watching.